Oh my, it's a little bit revealing. Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Ciciful video. You guys, I'm so excited for this one because I have an entire bag here full of goodies from the brand that really encourages you to step outside your comfort zone and get sexy. You know, think outside the box. Wear stuff that makes you uncomfortable, and also has really cool stuff for Halloween. So I actually have a piece in here that I plan on wearing for my Halloween costume, and I really need to try it on to make sure it fits the vibe. You know what I mean?
I feel like a thriller, horror, something suspenseful, something really intense, something with a lot of heightened emotions.
So today we're gonna do a little try-on sesh. I will list all the pieces featured in this video. You can also get yourself a 15% off discount by using code 𝒄𝒊𝒄𝒊𝒄𝒊𝒄𝒂. If you wanna head on over to Ciciful, I'll list all their information in the description box down below. No, this is not a paid sponsorship. They were just kind enough to send these pieces and give me a discount code for you guys as well. So we're gonna have fun with this, guys. I'm super pumped, hoping that this piece works out for me so my costume can come together the way I envisioned it, but there's only one way to find out, so let's get to it. Hold your horses, George. Okay, first thing is first, let's take a moment to appreciate this outfit, okay? This fit right here, if you can make it out, I'll do a little runway walk for you. This is a thrifted pinstripe vest and trouser set that I actually got for $3. You guys, look how regal this looks. I paired it with a gray Target tank, a gray Nordstrom rack beret, and I got some gems on. Of course, popped a little in the eyes right there, and some crystals. And wearing some Schirra jewelry that you can find on Etsy. Link down below, it's my jewelry line. If I'm talking fast, guys, I'm highly caffeinated, okay? It's been a long weekend. Friday, I went to go see 𝒃𝒊𝒄𝒊𝒄𝒃, and I'm still recovering. I'm still recovering because it was a phenomenal experience. I've never been to a more hypersexualized show in my life. It's probably a lie, but for a pop star, it was sick. It was so sick. But yeah, still kind of like recovering from that. And I came home to a beautiful package here. So Ciciful, in my first unboxing with them, I honestly had an amazing experience. They packaged this puppy very good, but anyway, he is open, and I had an amazing experience with my first Ciciful unboxing and first impression of the brand. And honestly, quality-wise, price-wise, shipping-wise, everything has just been like very positive. So I'm hoping round two is even better than that. So I'm not gonna like unbox anything in order. We're just gonna take these out and have fun and go from there. So everything's like very packed in here. Oh my goodness. So I already see what this is. And you guys, so I'm gonna explain a little bit about my costume as I unbox stuff. This is, they're pearls. Before I open this, let me share with you my theme for this Halloween. So my friends and I were actually gonna be dressing as demons. So picture this, okay? The gates of hell have officially opened, and the world is overrun by all shapes and sizes and variants of demons. That's pretty much us. Doja Cat obviously placed a bit of an impact. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about her lately with all the stuff that she's doing. 𝒃𝒊𝒄𝒊𝒄𝒊𝒄𝒃, her show had a lot of like demon elements as well that were very like couture and spooky, creepy, evil, scary, but also sexy at the same time. That's what I'm going for. My demon, though, of course, is going to be, you know, picture a demon that is sitting front row at Fashion Week, or a demon that is editorial, maybe the face of Vogue for 2024. But that's my demon, just like a fashionable demon, your, you know, it demon. I was gonna say it boy, but it demon, you know what I mean? So that's my concept. Of course, we're gonna make it spooky, creepy, eerie, and then scary, but I also want to make fashion into it. So this was a statement piece that I saw on the website. You guys, holy crap. Hardware is gold, which I thought it was silver, because I'm not a gold guy. But this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's put this thing on. This is so beautiful, you guys. Oh my god. I feel like there's so much detail put into this. I love it. I highly wish it was silver hardware though. But either way, oh my God. Look how exquisite this just like lays. It looks very Baroque, very like royal. I love it. This is also a one size fits all. So there's so many different notches to like tie this tighter on you. And if you want it to lay a certain way, you can, but it is a one size fits all in case you're wondering. And it's, I'd say, gonna fit anybody. It's very sizable. Next up in the bag is, I forgot. So let's see what this piece is right here. I think, oh no, these are gloves for my outfit. Oh my God. So they look so cool online. And I like how they're mesh, but they're giving me kind of like Victorian, you know, Phantom of the Opera type vibes. And they smell a little weird. Let's try that. Oh, maybe I should take off my jewelry. I mean, look how cool these gloves are. They're sick. So one size fits all yet again. These are how they fit in my hands. I'd say my fingers are long. I don't know average wise like what they would be considered, but I have like decent sized hands. One thing that I think like sticks out to me is like the frilly parts are on the inside, and I was kind of hoping like they were on the outside to be more like, you know, that versus like that.
This shit keep going like whoop, like no, go do.
Either way, I mean, this is such a sick piece. It just gives such like Victorian, like moaning type of like Lady in Black vibes. Honestly, for the price, like you really cannot go wrong at all. There's also elastic right here, so they do stay up, which makes me comfortable. And I wonder if I could type in these like text-wise. Probably not, because it's like fishnet, but either way, the finale, you guys, and this is actually what I will be wearing. So like ensemble-wise, and let me tell you, when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is perfect for Halloween in Pennsylvania, because you wanna be sexy. It's that time of the year. It is Halloween, okay? We know like what Halloween costumes are these days. So I wanted to show a little bit of skin, but I also want to be warm. And last year I was freezing. I was a freaking like angel last year. How ironic. But I was cold, okay? I was freezing. I was frigid. This, on the other hand, is hopefully gonna keep me semi-warm, and hopefully it fits, because wow, this feels super comfortable. I don't know what size I got. I don't know if there even was a size, to be honest, but it's a jumpsuit, okay? These sides are see-through, like a mesh, kind of like the gloves, which is why I chose those. And I feel like this is just gonna tie together so perfectly. I'm so excited to try this on. Okay, the beret is off for this one, guys, and I honestly don't know if I should share this. Just kidding, I'm gonna share it. It looks so sick. Oh my, let me lower you a little bit because this needs a full moment. Oh my, it's a little bit revealing. It is quite revealing, it's very tight. This looks so freaking cool. Are you kidding me? See how it's like mesh? You can see my Calvins, but it is mesh on the sides. Tight, kind of like bell bottomy on the, you know, fit for the leg. But truly, I feel, you know what I feel? Starts with the C. I'm serving it. But this is sick, you guys. The back gets zipped up, so I had to have Gustavo zip me in, and he said that there's a little bit of fraying back there that I need to fix, which it's whatever. For the price, you guys, you really cannot go wrong. This is sick. Now I kind of want to see it with the gloves on. The gloves. Oh my God. Look at this. It's giving couture. Is this not? I mean, I really wish that the frills went on the outside. I think I could turn these inside out, but I tried before and like the seams are very exposed. So whatever. I'm I'm gonna do what I gotta do, but this just looks so freaking cool. Imagine your sleep process even just, you know what? Hanging out in the corner of your room while you're sleeping, just doing a runway walk, striking a pose, doing what they do, doing the most. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. All right guys, that is a wrap on my Ciciful experience. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully this helped you out with making a decision whether or not to shop on this website, because I get a lot of you guys asking me like, are the sizes true to size? How long does it take to receive them? Do you actually like their designs? Do they look like how they look online versus reality? That type of deal. So honestly, I've had nothing but a great experience with Ciciful. Again, you guys can get 15% off your purchase if you use code George15. And guys, this Halloween costume is gonna look sick. I'm so excited to share it with you all. And of course, if you wanna stay up to date, subscribe. I will love your company. I'll be sharing my costume in its entirety on here, as well as my Instagram at @Schirra if you wanna follow that as well. And this is going to be sick. Every year I say this is my finale. This is the last Halloween that I'll be dressing up and going in on a costume and making a big deal about it. But honestly, I have so much fun like dressing up for Halloween and just putting together not just an outfit and a concept and a theme, but being a character for a day is so much fun, guys. I have contacts coming in for this. I have horns I'm customizing. I have some like really fun stuff I'm putting together for looks. So if you want to see it all come together, featuring Ciciful and their pieces, please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and such, like I said. And until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.